morning, Iloilo. What you're looking at is the La Paz Plaza. I'm here at the busy street of Huerbana Street here in La Paz, and a few meters away from the plaza you could see there the old building, what used to be the FJ Inayan building, and it used to be a landmark here in La Paz. It was, I think, built somewhere in the 90s, and it did not, or it was not finished, and then later on it was bought by some businessman, and they renovated the building. It is, I think, around 6 or 7 floors, or up to 8 floors at the top. And the reason why I'm here is because of the I think at the basement or at the lower level, MerryMart, a supermarket by Injap, the owner of Mang Inasal, is going to build a grocery store here, which is the Merry Mart. This is a new venture for the company, and they have a target of building 1,200 stores within 10 years. And then the first one, I think, is in Pasay, in Manila. And then they open up recently, I think this year, in Rojas. So I don't have the information yet when this MerryMart branch here in La Paz in Iloilo will open, but I think currently they're trying to construct it inside. We cannot go inside because of the fence. So there you have it. This is just a quick update on the MerryMart grocery stores. So in I think in 10 years time, they are going to build 1,200 branches, and then on the Visayas and Mindanao region, they're gonna open up, I think, maybe this year, 10 more stores. So just gonna keep you updated on the progress of this MerryMart supermarket. So just a quick update here on the MerryMart. So thank you for watching.